Hello everyone and welcome. Today, we're talking about a topic that's close to all of our hearts: cancer prevention. It's a sobering thought that every year millions of lives are touched by cancer, but there's hope. We have more power than we realize to protect ourselves and reduce our risk. In this video, I'll be sharing 5 life-changing habits that can significantly impact your long-term health. Let's get started. Let's start with a big one: tobacco. We've known for decades about the strong link between tobacco use and cancer. Smoking in particular is responsible for nearly 20% of all cancer deaths in the United States alone. That's because cigarettes contain a cocktail of harmful chemicals that damage our DNA, leading to uncontrolled cell growth, the hallmark of cancer. It's never too late to quit. The moment you stop, your body begins to heal, and your risk of cancer starts to decrease. What we eat plays a powerful role in our overall health and well-being, including our risk of developing cancer. The choices we make at the grocery store and in our kitchens can have a profound impact on our long-term health. By focusing on a diet that is rich in natural, wholesome foods, we can nourish our bodies and support our immune systems. A diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains provides our bodies with essential nutrients and antioxidants that help protect against cell damage. These foods are packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber, which are crucial for maintaining a healthy digestive system and overall bodily functions. Antioxidants, in particular, play a key role in neutralizing harmful free radicals that can cause cellular damage and lead to chronic diseases, including cancer. These plant-based foods are naturally low in calories and fat, helping us maintain a healthy weight. Another important factor in cancer prevention. Maintaining a healthy weight is essential because excess body fat has been linked to an increased risk of several types of cancer. By choosing foods that are nutrient-dense and low in unhealthy fats, we can better manage our weight and reduce our risk of developing chronic illnesses. Think of your plate as a canvas. Fill it with a rainbow of colorful fruits and vegetables. The more variety, the better. Each color represents different phytonutrients that offer unique health benefits. For example, red fruits and vegetables like tomatoes and strawberries are rich in lycopene, which has been shown to reduce the risk of certain cancers. Green vegetables like spinach and broccoli are high in folate, which supports DNA repair and replication. By incorporating a wide range of colors into our meals, we can ensure that we are getting a diverse array of nutrients that work together to keep us healthy and strong. And welcome back. It's great to have you with us again as we continue our journey towards better health and well-being. We've already covered the importance of a healthy diet and quitting tobacco, 2 fundamental steps in reducing our risk of cancer and improving our overall health. And now I want to talk about another crucial factor in cancer prevention: maintaining a healthy weight. This is a topic that often gets overlooked, but it is incredibly important. Now, this doesn't mean striving for an unrealistic body image or trying to fit into a certain size or shape, but rather understanding the profound impact our weight can have on our overall health. It's about feeling good in our own skin and being the healthiest version of ourselves. You see, excess body fat, especially around the midsection, can be more than just a cosmetic concern. It doesn't just sit there passively. It actively contributes to our body's internal environment. It actually acts as a factory, producing hormones and growth factors that can fuel the development and growth of cancer cells. This is a critical point to understand. This link between obesity and cancer risk is well established, and it's something we need to take seriously. With studies showing a higher incidence of cancers like colorectal, breast, and endometrial cancer in individuals who are overweight or obese, the evidence is clear. But there's good news. We are not powerless in this situation. We have the ability to influence our risk factors for cancer. Just as we have the power to influence our risk factors for cancer, we also have the power to make positive changes to our weight through lifestyle modifications. This is empowering. And these changes don't have to be drastic. Small, consistent steps can lead to significant improvements over time. For example, incorporating more fruits and vegetables into our diet, reducing our intake of processed foods, and being mindful of portion sizes can all contribute to a healthier weight. Even small, sustainable adjustments to our diet and exercise routines can make a significant difference in our long-term health outcomes. It's about making choices that we can stick with for the long haul. Remember, knowledge is power. By understanding the link between weight and cancer risk, we can make informed choices that empower us to take control of our health and well-being. We can celebrate the small victories along the way, knowing that each positive choice we make is a step towards a healthier future. In the next section, we'll delve into the specifics of how to achieve and maintain a healthy weight. Setting realistic goals is key. It's important to have a plan that is achievable and sustainable. This might include setting small, incremental goals that build on each other over time. For example, starting with a goal to walk for 10 minutes a day and gradually increasing that time as it becomes a regular part of your routine. Physical activity is a crucial component of maintaining a healthy weight. It doesn't have to be intense or time-consuming. Finding activities that you enjoy and that fit into your lifestyle is important. Whether it's walking, dancing, swimming, or playing a sport, the key is to stay active and make it a regular part of your life. Alongside physical activity, a balanced diet is essential. This means eating a variety of foods that provide the nutrients our bodies need to function optimally. It's not about deprivation or strict dieting, but about making healthier choices that we can maintain over the long term. When grocery shopping, focus on whole foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. These foods provide the nutrients our bodies need without the added sugars and unhealthy fats found in many processed foods. Planning meals and snacks ahead of time can also help us make healthier choices and avoid the temptation of less healthy options. Meal prepping can be a great way to ensure we have healthy options available throughout the week. It can save time and make it easier to stick to our healthy eating goals. It's also important to stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water throughout the day can help us feel our best and support our overall health. Sometimes we can mistake thirst for hunger, so staying hydrated can also help us manage our weight by preventing unnecessary snacking. In addition to diet and exercise, getting enough sleep is crucial for maintaining a healthy weight. Lack of sleep can affect our hormones and increase our appetite, making it harder to stick to our healthy eating and exercise goals. Aim for 7-9 hours of sleep per night to support your overall health and well-being. Stress management is another important factor. Chronic stress can lead to weight gain and other health issues. Finding healthy ways to manage stress, such as through mindfulness, meditation, or hobbies, can support our weight management efforts. Remember, maintaining a healthy weight is a journey, not a destination. It's about making small, sustainable changes that add up over time. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small, and be kind to yourself along the way. Every positive choice you make is a step towards a healthier, happier you. In the next section, we'll explore more tips and strategies for maintaining a healthy weight and staying physically active. Stay tuned. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Together, we can take control of our health and well-being, one step at a time. See you next time. We all love a sunny day, feeling the warmth on our skin. It's good for our mood and helps our bodies produce vitamin D. But like many things in life, moderation is key. Too much sun exposure can be dangerous, increasing your risk of skin cancer, the most common cancer in the United States. We go to the doctor for regular checkups, right? We get our oil changed and our teeth cleaned. It's all about preventative maintenance, ensuring everything is running smoothly. Well, the same principle applies to our health, especially when it comes to cancer. We've covered a lot of ground today, haven't we? It's been an enlightening journey through some of the most crucial aspects of maintaining a healthy lifestyle. From the importance of a healthy diet and regular exercise, we've delved into the very foundation of what it means to live well. A balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains can do wonders for your body. And let's not forget the dangers of tobacco and excessive sun exposure. Quitting smoking is one of the best decisions you can make for your health, and protecting your skin from harmful UV rays is equally important. We've explored 5 powerful ways you can reduce your risk of cancer. These include maintaining a healthy weight, staying physically active, eating a healthy diet, avoiding tobacco, and protecting your skin from the sun. By incorporating these habits into your daily routine, you can take control of your health and significantly lower your risk of developing cancer. Imagine the peace of mind that comes with knowing you're doing everything you can to stay healthy. Remember, these lifestyle changes are not about deprivation, they're about empowerment. It's about making choices that not only nourish your body, but also bring joy and satisfaction to your life. They're about making choices that nourish your body, strengthen your immune system, and reduce your risk of disease. Every small step you take towards a healthier lifestyle is a step towards a brighter future. Whether it's taking a walk in the park, practicing yoga, or simply spending time with loved ones, these activities contribute to your overall well-being and happiness. You have the power to change your life. It's within your reach to make choices that positively impact your health and well-being, and significantly reduce your cancer risk. Start today. Take that first step, whether it's preparing a healthy meal, going for a run, or simply making a commitment to quit smoking. Take a step towards a healthier future. Surround yourself with supportive friends and family who encourage you to make healthy choices. For more life-saving tips and health guidance, subscribe to our channel. Stay informed and stay motivated by joining our community of health-conscious individuals. Share this video to help spread the word. By sharing this information, you're not only helping yourself but also those around you. Together, we can fight cancer. Let's unite in our efforts to create a healthier, cancer-free world. Every action counts, and together we can make a difference.